Picture this: you've just received your paycheck. You feel that excitement, but a week later, it's gone. I've been there too, working hard all month, only to watch my money vanish without making a real difference in my life. This video isn't about saving pennies or living miserably. It's about 7 powerful steps you can take with your very next paycheck to completely change the way you handle money. Here's the truth: most people don't plan their money. Bills pile up, impulse spending takes over, and before you know it, you're broke again. But it doesn't have to be this way. So let me ask you, what if this paycheck could be the one that sets you free from stress, and starts building your future wealth? Stick with me, because step number 7 is the game changer most people never do. Step 1. Pay yourself first. Take at least 10% of your paycheck and move it into savings or investments before touching bills. Story: when I first tried this, it felt impossible, but a month later, I realized I didn't even miss that money. Step 2. Build an emergency buffer. Life is unpredictable: car repairs, medical bills, sudden expenses. Without a buffer, you'll always stay broke. A single $500 emergency fund can save you from debt spirals. Step 3. Kill high-interest debt. That credit card balance, it's draining your wealth. Paying it off is like getting an instant raise. Step 4. Automate your bills. Remove stress. Automation ensures you never miss payments, and your money works on autopilot. Step 5. Invest before you spend. Even if it's small, investing consistently creates future freedom. Imagine if every paycheck, 100 went into a fund. 10 years later, you'd thank yourself. Step 6. Give your money a purpose. Budgeting doesn't mean restrictions, it's about freedom. When you assign every dollar a job, your paycheck becomes a tool, not a trap. Step 7. Build an asset, not just expenses. This is the game changer. Use a portion of your paycheck to buy something that grows in value: stocks, a side hustle, or even a skill. Expenses fade, but assets keep paying you back. If you're finding value, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this video matters, and it helps more people take control of their paychecks. Your paycheck can either disappear, or it can build your future. The choice is yours. If you're serious about mastering money, subscribe and join this community. We're all on the same journey. Drop a comment with which step you'll start this month, and share this with a friend who always complains about being broke. Remember, your next paycheck isn't just money. It's a chance to change